The purpose of the discussion board could be to provide a way of interaction between teachers and the students. Both can pose questions regarding the lessons. The discussion board has many purposes depending on the directives given by the school administrators. How to use the discussion board. Open your account. Go to course. See the course list. Click the specific course. Go to the course menu. Click Discussion. Click Discussion at the course menu. Create a forum. A forum is now being created. Fill in some details about the forum. You may complete other details such as time and date. You can also complete others that are needed. This time, save your information. Scroll down to see the forum that you have created. Now open the forum. Click Create a Thread. A thread has been created under a forum. Hit the thread. When you open the thread, click Reply. Create your answers or responses, then submit. This is how your forum looks like in the discussion board. Click Students Preview to be able to see if the students can access it. Thank you for watching, and you are at Marvin's Eyes at SimpleTech.